Hi, can we take vitamin C completely natural? Is it possible for a human being nowadays to consume vitamin C complete natural and in natural way? It is quite impossible because the process of farming and these all things you know better than me. So I have a privilege today to share this with you. So I'm starting. हम भी अगर पंछी होते, नाम हमारे होते सोते तोते, ताजे फल खाते जागते सोते, और दुनिया कहती आई वॉन्ट टू टेक vitamins minerals like you. So this is my rhyme today. I just want to sing in front of you. आपके सामने जस्ट इसको गा के सुनाना चाहता था ताकि आप ये समझ पाएँ कि कंप्लीट फूड्स एंड फ्रूट्स के जो वाइटामिन्स हैं आज के ज़माने में लेना पॉसिबल नहीं है. इसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है सप्लीमेंटेशन, और इसी वजह से हमें और आपको सप्लीमेंटेशन का सहारा चाहिए. I want to share this photo shoot. I have just got the privilege to shoot this. Here you see how this this parrot is taking vitamin C from guava. It is not possible for a human being because they are getting fruits so late, transportation, this, that. We don't have the privilege to pluck the fruit from tree and take it. Vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables for human being, availability is there, but the process by which we are getting the vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables, it is quite late. We are getting only empty calories in it. Vieroots is providing very precision products, precision supplements with high-end technology, with cutting-edge technology, and they are providing the products so that a person will get complete bioavailability of that product, and they will have to face lesser renal load because it is very pure. 90-95% bioavailabilities are there. So वीरूट्स के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही यूनिक हैं और मैं यहाँ पर आपको कुछ शेयर कर भी दे रहा हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.